Good morning, folks. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. And I'm going to grab me a sharp knife. We're going to need one of these today. Today, if you're looking down here, have a look down here. Look at this. What's this you say? BLG? BLG, what is this? This is cheese. It's been drying over on the paper towels here for about 3 days now. And they're still a little greasy, but this will work. Today we're going to make low carb cheese pops. They taste like little goldfish, man. But today we're going to do these with cheddar instead of Gouda cheese. Most people use Gouda cheese. We're going to do this with cheddar. What we're going to do is zap these little bad boys, right? Down into little quarters like this. We'll zap them. Zap them all up. It don't take long to do. Like that. Into quarters. We got our oven preheated to 275 degrees, 275 Fahrenheit. Yep. Zap these like that. We'll zap them like this. Zap them like this. Into little cheesy puffs. Just grab some. It don't matter, man. Just grab them. Zap them. Like so. Just like soup. Zap. 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 Ooh. Zap. I wonder if I could get a double. Zap. Well, you can't really. You can cut them one way as a double. The other way doesn't work. No, it says no. Okay, so what we're going to do is get little cubes. Zappy zap. Not much to it. This is going to go through a couple of, quite a few paper towels. In the long run, it might, but it's not horrible. For what you get in the long run, you get homemade hippie goldfish. That might be what I titled this, homemade hippie goldfish crackers. Here we go, and voila. See, now what we do is take Mr. Tray here. We'll get you some. You lay them out, leave a couple of inches, because these things will melt down, they'll spread out a little bit, do some things that are kind of weird. And you lay out a tray full, just like so, just like so, just like so, like so, like so, like so, like so. Get you a nice tray load here. Your lady wanted some, so she got the cheese ready, and I'm just going to go ahead and make them. This morning. Yes. Like so. Just lay them out like this here. This looks like it's going to do 2 trays worth. So you got them on your tray just like that, right? Just like so. Just like so. Then what we're going to do is we're going to turn around here. Not their oven at 275 Fahrenheit. We're going to pop these in here like so. Just like this. We're going to turn the light on in there so we can see. We're going to try to find the cowboy spoon. You want to leave a little gap right here at the top. Just close a big spoon in there. That's all the excess moisture come out. And we're going to wait about 10 minutes. These will start bubbling and kind of turning brown, and then they'll kind of stop bubbling and be kind of brown. That's when we're going to take them out, and we're going to pat them down with paper towels, and I'll show you the next step. So we'll see you back here in about 10 minutes. Kabink, we're back. It's been probably about 18 minutes, and you can see what they look like with the little door open. See, they kind of I've had them out for about 5 minutes. Just cool off where you kind of touch them, but they kind of turn into crackery-like things. We're not done yet. No, 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 no. We're not done yet. What we're going to do is we're going to take these off of here. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Take them off of here onto more paper towels. See? We're going to line these all up. So I'm going to set you back over here. Kind of set you where you can maybe see a little bit. I'm just going to try to do it from across the way. Somewhere like that, maybe. And set these on paper towels. Just like so. Set them out. We want to get all the grease, all the oil we can out of these. Get them as dry as possible. These aren't done yet, but they're about to be. Put these all over here. Line them up, kind of keep them in little rows. That way you don't go through quite as many paper towels. Set these out on the paper towels. They're going to leave some of the remnant oil on the parchment. That's fine. That's not hurting anything. From here, over here, over here. Get on here, man. Over here, over here, and over here, just like so. Now, I'm going to take another paper towel, like these, right? Put it over the top. I'm going to push down. We'll try to get as much of this oil off of these as we can. Poke and poke and press and poke. When you get done poking and pressing and poking like this, you fold this up and come back and just kind of hit them again, like this. Get them as dry as you possibly can. Like so. Weak. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. I believe we can work with this, folks. Then, you take any wax-coated paper plate, or you can put parchment paper on a regular paper plate. I'm going to put maybe 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll put a couple of them on here. We'll see how many will fit decently. You don't want to crowd the plate too much. Something about like maybe that. We'll take about that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of these. I don't know if you can see them or not. But about 13 of these go on the plate. We're going to ease over here to the microwave. This machine. And this machine is going to get hot. Because you're going to do several cycles of this. In the microwave they go on high. Zoom in. Okay. In the microwave. This is an easy one-handed. In the microwave they go on hot. Okay. In the microwave they go on high. Here we go. Like so. Spread them out a little bit. Just like so. Spread them out a little bit. Close it. And we're going to give them, that's quick 30 seconds on high. And start. Watch this. Hear them? See them flipping around? They're popping, folks. Like poppity corn. See them flipping? Pretty cool, huh? Then they'll pop and it'll all steam up and get all foggy. But they pop like popcorn, like that. Then we're going to come out and put you back over in your regular spot here. They'll come out of there and they're going to go back onto a paper towel. This one will work. It's not that bad yet. These will pop out. See, and then they come over onto the paper towel over here. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. They're still kind of greasy. It's okay. Fold this over. We'll pat these dry. Like so. It smells like goldfish in here, or cheese nips, or whatever. It smells like cheese crackers. Then you just keep basically repeating the same thing. Oven there for about 14 minutes or so. See, there they are over here. And then after they come out, you pat them dry onto the paper plate here. Oof, that's kind of nasty. It'll still work. I'm going to do it one more time, and then I'm going to wipe that paper plate down or trade it out. You don't want all the grease in here, but you can put them in here. I'll do it one more time for you. Another couple handful here. Onto the paper plate, onto the paper plate. Just like this. I know you're just looking at all kinds of weird things. I don't have a cameraman. And then a couple here. Back onto the paper plate. Over here to the microwave. This place. This is going to get your microwave all greasy too. In you go. It's like so. Quick 30 seconds on high. Watch the fun of popping cheese. See him hopping around? Isn't that badass? Pop, 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 pop. And a lot of people say, oh, it'll do it in the oven. Well, I haven't had that much luck with just the oven, so thus I created the microwave for the secondary. Pretty cool. But that's what you're going to do. I'll bring you back when I'll get all the rest of these done up here and show you what they came out like. Okay, see you then. And there you have it, folks. About 10 to 20 minutes in between each little baking segment, as you've seen earlier. The 30-second shots in the microwave and lots of paper towels later. Ta-da! Hippie cheesy poof things. Hippie nippies. Oh, I can't say that. Hippie cheese nips? Hippie goldfish. That sounds good. Hippie goldfish. We'll go with that. See? You just take them like that. They go in a little thing. What are you looking at? They go in the little paper towels and they kind of drain them. Let them cool off to room temperature and stuff. Look at this. Look at this. It's puffy. Look. Tastes like goldfish. And your ingredients are cheese. Just your ingredients. So what we're going to do, these are cooled off. You got a little tub here, a little bowl thing. I'm not going to put them in here. A little bowl. They are really good. And the old lady can eat them because it's hippie food. There we go. There we go. I'll pop all these in here. These guys go in here. Just like that. Boom. Then I can clean up the countertop. And everything will be done. Lots of these. Need lots of these. I think when I was doing the microwave popping thing, I wiped down the paper plate every 2 times. And it's like, I don't know, I've used about a quarter of a roll of paper towels altogether. It takes quite a few. But anyway, there you have it, folks. Hippie cheese nips, or goldfish if you call, whatever you want to call them. Yes, you health food hippies, the low carbers, you eat these instead of the crackers I eat, which look like this. This is the kind I eat right there in the box. Cheesy crackers. You can't have them, but I can. But you can have these, and these taste just like those. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Hit the little like button, subscribe if you'd like, leave me a comment if you got something you'd like me to make. And for Hands On with BLG, I'm BLG. I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. We'll see you guys back here in the next exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm going to go splice this together real quick, and I'll probably have it up online for you here in just about 2 hours. So goodbye, folks. We'll see you next time. Yes, yes.